Flat Campground, post-burn of the August complex fire. Right now it's November 2020. It's been about a couple months since the fire was actively right over there. As we stepped out of the truck, we could hear an elk bugling over this way. So we were curious about what it looks like down in here, so I hope you'll join us. Let's go on down that way. There's Oak Flat after the fire. It doesn't appear that it came in here. It seems like it stayed heavy to that side. Definitely burned, what I can tell, best I can tell, it burned all the way to the ranch fire, but up that direction, opposite the valley that goes through. It burned definitely into the ranch fire. We were at a junction where you could see fire that had burned from the August complex, and then right over there was burned from the ranch fire when, because you could see grass and other greenery that was only a couple of feet tall. So I know that wasn't from the August complex fire, but this looks like it's okay. The lake is way out there, really, really far. You can see from up on top of Whole Mountain how low the lake is. It's really, really low.